In this video, we're going to be walking through the simple process of updating an existing remedy. Just like when we first generated the remedy, we're going to do this inside of the SiteWise input sheet. Once in the input sheet, we're going to go to the Site Info tab and we're going to select the alternative that we want to update. So in this example, we'll update alternative 2. We'll select it, and then we're going to say, yes, I want to reload this previously saved remedial alternative. Once it's loaded, we can make any change to any of the 4 components. So let's go ahead and make a change. Maybe we'll change the input or the distance traveled per trip from 100 miles. Let's change that down to 50 miles. So when you're making changes, you can make as many or as few as you need to. You can change one component or you can make changes in all 4 components. But just like when we were generating the alternative from the beginning, when we're updating an alternative, before we can actually make the update, it's important, it's critical that we go back to our folder and we open and save each of these components. Even if you just make a change to one of the components, it's really a best practice to go ahead and take the extra minute to open and resave all the components just in case. So we're going to open and save. Open and save. Open and save component 4. Once we've done that, we can come back to this Generate Alternative tab. And instead of going to the first button and clicking to generate an alternative using the previously entered name, this time we're going to click to replace an existing alternative with the same name. And what this is going to do is this is going to overwrite that whole file and serve as an update to the file. And you can see here the status, the remedial alternative is done, it's been saved, but we can also go back to our folder. We can see that all of the files have been updated with the most recent date and timestamp, and so we've successfully updated alternative 2.